Hello, good afternoon. Are you struggling to boost your app download and you are looking for a way how to increase your mobile app download? Then you have come to the right place today, right? In the past few years, I have been trying different method, different mobile advertising network to increase our app download. As you know, there are many ways to increase the app download apart from doing the ASO stuff for to actually to increase the app ranking via the natural organic method. But I think a lot of time we are also looking for a way a paid traffic to actually outside of the ASO to increase the or to boost our mobile app download. Over the year, I have been trying many ways, and I have also lost a lot of money trying out different mobile app network. And I have found out one of the best mobile advertisement network is a pay network, which I think I would like to show you here for a quick review here, right? Hope you can benefit from this quick video here. Okay, look at the screen here. This is the dashboard which I have been creating my app campaigns to actually app campaigns to use the more pay advertisement, right? All right. You can see from the dashboard here, I have a app here, a campaign here, and I spend around $2 a day. It's a ringgit Malaysia, which is converted to USD is now 50 cents per day, right? Correct. And I'm able to get 209 click for a cost of $5, 5 ringgit Malaysia plus, which is around $1 plus USD, and I'm able to get 47 install for the cost per install or CPI of 12 cents per install. I think 12 cents is about 4 to 5 cents per install. It's not even 5 cents, right? And outside there in the market, you can see there's a lot of pay advertisement mobile advertising network, which I think is far away than 5 cents, or some is even 10 cents, 20 cents per install. But you are able to get this 4 to 5 cents USD per install via this mobile app network. Right? Okay. Then that is you can this is for last 30 days campaign, and let's take a look at the last month campaign. In the last month campaign, again you can see I'm getting a 260 install. I spent only 34 or 32 cent ringgit Malaysia, and I have around 1,341 click, and I spent only 30 cent per install ringgit Malaysia per install, which is also equivalent to 4 to 5 cent USD. So the result, the per install cost is quite stable. I have been testing this method for months, and it shows a very consistent result here, right? Okay, right now I'm not able to share all the detail in this quick video, but I have actually compiled all this real case study and all this method I have been using in the past in promoting my mobile app download into a blueprint, or I call it as you can see here I have actually compiled this method I have been using into a ebook or blueprint. In this ebook, I'm going to show you step by step how you can actually achieve this 0.0 or 5 cents cost per install, right, by using the Google AdWords. A lot of time you may be thinking, oh, Google AdWords could be really expensive in running a pay app, but in fact it actually is really cheap, right? All right. And in this blueprint or ebook, I have also be showing you step by step how to actually do mobile app niche research and finding, how you can actually find the right niche for your mobile app. Before you actually develop a mobile app, you should do a niche mobile niche research to see what are the niche market that on demand. So before you can actually develop your app, in order not to waste your effort, right? Okay. So in this blueprint, I'm going to show you step by step with all the screenshot how you can do a correct way of finding the right niche for your mobile app, right? Okay. And again, in this ebook, definitely I'm going to show you how you can achieve 5 cent CPI, or sometimes I could even get 3 to 4 cent CPIs via this paid advertisement. Never in my life or in my whole life of mobile app development career, marketing career, I have got such a low CPI. All right. Okay. So that's okay. So this is a blueprints. You can check it out again from the link below here. And if you have any question, you are welcome to pin me, or you can actually email to me. All right. Thanks a lot for your attention. I hope you enjoy today's sharing session, and hope you can find a new way of promoting your app. All right. Thank you very much. Bye.